Hello po! Andito na naman ako. Mag-deliver sa mensahe na galing sa Divine Universe na gusto nilang ipapaalam sa iyo na kasi ayaw ng Divine Universe na mawalan kayo ng pag-asa. Gusto pa rin ng Divine Universe na magiging faithful, hopeful pa rin kayo po. Okay, yung message for today. Look at life from a higher perspective. Getting wisdom is the wisest thing you can do. Proverbs chapter 4 verse 7. Okay. Maybe you look at the bigger picture that yung ano yung mga ano nyo po sa sitwasyon nyo po, okay, that you are going through. Okay? Tingnan ang mas malawak pa rin, deep dive, no, kung ano yung pananaw sa gusto mo sa buhay mo. Okay? Yung sinasabi po niyan. Okay? So, when you decide something, no? You always look in the bigger picture kasi para may may space ka pa to decide kung you want to continue or you want to give up or you want to move forward without looking back with all the positive. Yun lang ang tinatanaw mo is puro positive lang. Tapos ine-expect mo na yung mga syempre ine-expect mo na medyo may ma-delays, medyo nandyan naman si Lord na alam ko hindi niya ako papabayaan. There's always a good news, yung parang ganun siya. You know, yung mensahe mo, no, na parang ini-encourage mo yung sarili mo na I have a good news. Things will get better. Yung parang ganun siya. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this reading and I hope you will continue to always support me, and thank you for being always here with me. And if you know someone can resonate this message, please also share, and I would really appreciate as well. And thank you and thanks for watching. I will see you in my next reading. Bye for now.